Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is DailyTech, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Apple Watch Series 8 and above. First, make sure that you have a charger aside, and the first method would be through the settings. Of course, you go to General, you scroll down to Reset and erase all content and settings. Now the second way would be through the phone. You go to the Apple Watch app, you scroll down to General, you scroll down to Reset, and again erase Apple Watch, contact and settings. Now the third method would be, let's say you have a password and you forgot the password. As you can see, we have a password lock, so this will be called a hard reset. You would need the charger to be nearby because you do need to use it. First, press and hold the power button. Once you see this screen, press the power button again. Once you see right here, locate the digital crown, press and hold it. Once you see this screen, connect the power source. That's when you need to connect your Apple Watch charger. Once it is connected, you're prompted erase all contacts and settings, reset, and that's the third method. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.